Hi guys, we are behind the scenes. We are getting ready to drop in Hey, hey. It's DJ Official. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are getting ready to drop inside a hair store, and so basically I am just going to show you guys how I repurposed this stand. You guys can look and see. This is a stand that I got from the hair store that I'm actually going into, so shout out to them. Part of the stand, and we are just going to do a quick little unboxing and just kind of take a look at everything. Let me go ahead and scoop my camera back some. And make sure you are subscribed because I have so much in store for y'all. So back to this. Alright gang, so let's jump right on into this video with the unboxing. I'm opening up the box and I'm gonna pull it out. You guys, it is so beautiful. I just want to show you guys what it looked like before, you know, it got the BeMinkedBeauty stamp. So this is what it's looking like. Just a nice all white pegboard. And these are my graphics that I did design. I have two different ones. You'll see the other one, and then one is gonna go at the top, and that one was actually an adhesive background. Those two are gonna go at the bottom, and you'll see that in this video. Hey, when I tell y'all I was so lit, I was so excited to be doing this and putting this together, because this will be my second location inside of a beauty supply store. And you guys, like when I tell you, like, dream the biggest dreams, because they can happen. And right here guys, you see that I am going and removing this young lady off of my stand. This was a bit challenging to get it off, because I needed to get the whole thing off, because the work that I had created was on a white background, and you would have been able to see through that had I not got it all off. So I was working so hard to complete it and get it off, but you guys just keep on watching, you'll see. And look, beauties, ta-da! The first step is complete, and you guys, next I'm just going in with my hot glue gun, and I'm going to add that pink fur to the trim of the stand. This is what is going to make my stand stand out and give it its uniqueness, I feel like, because I put my pink fur on everything. Even in the first beauty supply store that I launched into, you will see pink fur on the stand, which, if you guys watch to the end of this video, you will actually see a photo of that stand as well. And then next you see me just cutting the fur. What I went ahead and did was measure the amount that was out, that was not going to be in the bottom base, because I did not want the fur to go all the way inside there, just for my own personal reasons. But did you guys just see how that just slid off there like that? Now why couldn't the top do the same? Like, the top was such a struggle, but thank God that the bottom was so easy. Like, oh my God, it was so simple to just go ahead and put those on there. I did use a double-sided tape, and I just measured it to the liking to make sure it fit and cut it off. It was so simple and it was secure. So next we are hopping on to the next side, and we're literally just going to do the exact same thing we did on the other side. So just keep on watching, beauties, keep on watching, and thank you all so much for your support and helping me grow. I really appreciate you guys being along on this journey with me, and just leaving the comments. Just, you know, drop me something in the comments if you lash gang or not. Alright guys, we are here at the hair store. See your boyfriend over there getting the stuff. Gonna grab this one. We're gonna walk on in. We are getting ready to drop in Diva Beauty. I already showed you guys part of the stand. So yes, we're getting ready to drop. And thank you so much, beauties, for watching this video. As always, you make sure you stay beautiful, you stay blessed, and you stay great. And make sure you chase every dream. And know that the sky is the limit. You are limitless, queen. Thank you.